is our new channel. It's Model Builds and Diecast with Sean. We literally just put it up 2 days ago. We're moving a lot of models. We're also putting a lot of new content on here. You'll see the model car builds on here. We're still going to show the shorter version up of the Model Mondays, but these are the long builds. I mean, these are an hour 17, an hour 14, 125, 41 minutes. Also, we're going to be putting some dioramas up here, as well as talk about diecast collecting and different things like that. So if you're into the diecast, the model cars, the model car building, or any of that kind of stuff, this is where you'll find it. We'll probably show a very short, like 15-minute version on junkyards and barn finds, but if you want to watch the full builds, come on and check these out. So, and I would really like to get, if you want, you could subscribe here. The subscription is free, obviously. So if you subscribe to us, if we get some subscribers on here, that'd be awesome. We've only been up for a couple days. We've got 2 subscribers. Hopefully we'll have more. So if you like this stuff, please subscribe. Even if you don't like it, but you want to help me out, please subscribe. And this is one of the builds we're going to start doing. So this is what's going to go on our new channel, the new model car builds and diecast with Sean channel. And if you didn't see that yet, you'll see, I just put a video up about that. So what we did is we have, this is where we're going to start doing things such as, we're going to do these dioramas. So right now we have the Academy Joe's Power Station 124 scale. So this is a huge kit. The kit comes with this base right here. So it doesn't come with too many interior parts except for the lift. Has a couple, but not much. So we have this kit. Then we have this kit, which is the AMT. Let's go over here real quick. Sorry, guys. We have the AMT Get On Up kit. That came out a couple years ago, and that's a big lift. We're going to have an outside lift on here. This is for the fuel pumps that come with this. Then we got the Tip Top Shop, which is another garage series from AMT, and this comes with all kinds of things. It comes with Coca-Cola machines, a couple figures, all kinds of stuff you would find in a shop. We also got this kit here from Hobby Lobby on their 40% off week, and that's the Sunoco pickup truck because it's got some great Sunoco decals on it because we want to make this a Sunoco. We bought the Tamiya Rally Mechanics set, which is these figures. We'll have to build those and paint them, but it also comes like a laptop computer and some tools. And we also got off of Amazon this dollhouse toilet, so that because it doesn't have a men's room that comes with it, so we have to build a little men's room in there. It came. We also ordered online on the Amazon site from Hobby Gear a engine hoist 112 or 124 scale. We have from Hobby Gear 124 scale garage. Comes with all this equipment. We'll do an opening on that. We also got the mechanic set from Hobby Gear right there. And so that's got a lot of pieces we'll go over. We got this small set, the Hobby Gear Backyard Mechanic set, all 1/12 scale. We also got this Hobby Gear, which is a crate with some barrels. And we also had gotten some figures. And so we're going to make one heck of a large, this is like 2.5 by 2.5 inch plastic board, I guess. I don't know what they call it here. Green Guard project panel. So we're going to make this into the full service 1980s style speed shop / gas station. And so if you want to see the build of this and what parts we use and what we do and all, because I have, look at these are just boxes with engines and stuff that I have built, wheels and all this kind of stuff that we have had that come with all these different all the different kits that we get where we can build a second engine, or we get 16, you know, you get jack stands, or like the one with the Dodge truck that came with the mini bike. All those things, we don't have anywhere to put them. So we're going to make a really nice, I may enter this in a contest actually, but we're going to make a really, really cool diorama of a 1980s speed shop, because hey, I was in high school in the 80s. I graduated in 84, and so that's what we're going to do. So if you'd like to see this build and more, please subscribe. It doesn't cost nothing. Go subscribe to the model car builds and diecast channel with Sean. So anyway, appreciate it. And then we're also going to go over things like those, like the different scales. Like this is a 1/24 scale, then you have 1/32 scale, 1/18 scale, 1/64 scale. So we're going to go over all those. We're also, I have over 3,000 Hot Wheel cars from the 1990s to today that have never been opened and stuff. So we're going to go through a whole ton of stuff over there. All right, guys, appreciate it. We'll still be putting up some cool videos this week. So I'll be putting some videos up this weekend, and we're going to try and get to number 1100. So thank you guys so much. And like I said, also we're selling the truck. So if you're in Florida, $1,600. I'll put the video up on this channel if you want to see it. My knee is still messed up. It's been since April. I got to concentrate on getting my knee better more than I do getting this truck done. All right, thanks guys. And oh, by the way, if you want to really help become a member for like $1.99 or whatever, because right now I haven't received I haven't been at work since April, amazingly. So I'm kind of living off of YouTube right now. So if you want to help me out, just become a member. It's like $1.99 or whatever. And if I get a bunch of you to do it, it might help me pay my bills. So that's what we're doing. So I appreciate it. If you don't, that's okay. You know, like if you have it, that'd be great. If you don't, that's okay too. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys, and I will see you in the next video.